Hi, everybody. I'm Don Bartonslaw. I chose for my learning management system Google Classroom, which is our LMS of choice for the district I teach in, Mideast Career and Technology Schools. Um, I have had a little bit of experience with Google Classroom. My first year of teaching, which was the COVID year, we had 2 days face to face, 3 days remote. So I used Google Classroom some, but have not used it on a regular basis since we've been face to face. So if you log into my classroom, first thing, welcome to Building Maintenance Program. Please click on the word classwork above to get started. When you do that, it'll pop up, and I've got a start here, and you'll see in there I've got three shells: maintenance, maintaining lawn equipment, plumbing, and electrical. And if you go back to the top, the start here, I did a little welcome to building maintenance, which was the home page. If you click on that, I've got a sheet on there that has the instructions, has my information, my email, phone number to school. I've also got a little introductory video of myself, a welcome video, and I talk about the technology at Mideast, and a little bit about the link to the Mideast policies and rules for students and parents. So if we go to first thing up is the syllabus. The course syllabus covers the whole course, okay? And then I've got a question on there, a little get to know each student. There's 3 questions on there. What is your first and last name? What is your favorite sweet treat? And what do you like to do on the weekends? So then we step into the next thing. It'll be the maintaining lawn equipment. First item up is an overview of what I teach in the what's included in the lawn care section. I've got the learning objectives, a little bit of a brief overview of the whole thing, plus learning objectives, and then a task list of what we're going to cover throughout the entire course. First thing up, also discussions. First discussion was, do you think it's more economical to hire a lawn care service or purchase your own lawn equipment and perform the work, including the maintenance yourself? Okay. Then weed trimmer parts. If you open that up, I've got an exploded view of a weed trimmer, all the parts on it. Anyway, they'll look at the students will look at that, and then they'll prepare for a paper quiz, and they'll have to fill in all the blanks of what all the parts are. I got a survey question up next, which is simply, have you ever operated a weed trimmer? Yes or no. Very simple. Let's see here. I got a video on there of how to maintain a weed trimmer. This was one I used on the H5P earlier in this course. Seemed to work out pretty good. Anyway, they watch that and answer the questions. It's a interactive. That's it. I couldn't remember what it was. Interactive. Okay, so why do we need to maintain our lawn equipment? That would be a discussion. And basically it's a question. Why do we need to maintain our lawn equipment? Explain, you must include information about blades, fluids, filters, spark plugs, and tires. You should also discuss how often you should inspect your lawn equipment. This is a discussion question for them to reply to. Next item I'm looking here. Weed trimmer safety and operation videos. Obviously, safety is a huge part whenever we're teaching young people how to use this equipment. I've got 2 videos on there, 2 YouTube videos that are very well. And then there's a weed trimmer safety quiz that you would click on, open up, and take. I think there's about 15 questions of that pertaining to the basic safety and necessary safety section. Next topic was plumbing. I've got a question on there. Talk a little bit about residential water supply. And you ask at least 3 pros and cons comparing a private well system to a public water supply system in your home. Let's see here. Next one, electrical terms. I have a set of important electrical terms, vocabulary words. The students are to research the definitions, type them on the page, and turn that in. And then I've got another question on there, generator comparison, to compare the pluses and the minuses, the advantages and disadvantages of a whole house standby generator versus whole house generator standby versus a portable. Sorry, nobody outside of my district could actually watch this Google Classroom due to security measures.